Good day, everyone. My name is Soji Chuks. I'm a student of Nigeria School, batch 2017, May 17, group 21. My mentor name is Juliet. I'm going to present a video on Ideology. is a global community of a financial aid and donation exchange. is a community of ordinary people selfless helping each other. is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money, which is provide help, that is PH. Which one who want to, with one who want to get money means get help, GH. Ideology of The modern day world is bad. It is unhuman, unfair, unjust. This is the word of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money, for banker, financial, government, and millionaires. And people are merely pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. Why do bankers work less and earn 100 times more? What lies behind the social welfare, labor? But why do bankers live 100 times better than common man who really work hard? Do the bankers work harder? Definitely they don't. In addition, they do not even produce any material value as opposed to the workers. Why then the difference in income is so numerous? How works? is a community of people providing each other financially help on the principle of gratulation and reciprocate and benevolence. Provide help. Provide help used when you are donating money as providing help. It is the starting point. It gives birth to the reward, get help. It showcases the power of giving. Get help. Use when you want to donate. That is get help. It is the word point to help to accomplish it, accomplishment of fair finish. Mavro. Mavro is the internal currency of It is what you buy when you pledge to donate. We start growing from the moment at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of reward occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. This sum is Mavro. Show how much you can request yourself. Benefit of You provide help and receive 30% more per month for your donation. Registration bonus. For every first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20. Donation is from 15,000 to 143,000 naira. $50 is donation from the 144,000 to 858,000. $100 donation more than 859. Guardian bonuses. Guardian bonus is 5% from the first level, 3% the second level, 1% the third level, 4%, 0.5% the fourth level, 0.25% the fifth level, 0.1% the sixth level, 0.05% the seventh level, 0.03% the eighth level, 0.01% the next level. Referral program. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all donation of the participant you initiated. Initiating new member from the community is your additional contribution to this development. Referral bonus, as you can see below. rules. Rules 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You have always provide as many times as you want with one account. Penalty, all accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. Rules 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty, you will all be blocked from getting from help until you give identification proof. Rules 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty, you will be blocked. Do not edit edit your bank details or change password less than 15 days before getting help, penalty, your get help will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. You will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment, penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. You will be blocked. That's the penalty. Do not allow your family to provide more than you. If they have more than the amount provided to donate, let them on through your PO. Tell them to register through your guardian link. You'll be blocked. That is the penalty. Rules 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness for every get help withdrawal. Maximum day to write it is after getting is 3 days. Penalty, you'll be blocked. Rule 10. Enroll people just for the sake of bonuses without educating and caring about them, or enroll them when they are not really interested. Penalty, sanction, moderator, and consultant. Long live MMM. Long live Sergio Mavro. Together we change the world. Thank you for listening.